Here we have the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, and today I will show you my best tips, tricks and hidden features. So let's get right into it, and let's start with tip number 1. Now this one goes to everyone that is already using this watch for a couple of days. Now it could happen that the watch slows down just a little bit, but to prevent that, open up the app drawer and tap the recent apps and close them all. That should help a little bit. And then in addition, you can go to the settings and in your device care, go to memory and tap clean now. This will clear the RAM of your watch and it will result in a faster performance, and it's enough to do it like once every 2 weeks. Another hidden feature is that you can add a ticking sound to some of your watch faces, like on your analog watch faces. Now in order to do that, you have to go to your sound settings, scroll all the way down and click on system sound. And over here you can toggle on the ticking sound. If you want to, you can also turn on the hourly chime over here as well. And now if you're using a watch face that is supporting the ticking sound, you will get a feeling of wearing a real analog watch. One useful tip I learned using Galaxy watches is to change the button orientation. You will find the settings in your general settings, and over here you can change the button layout from the left side over to the right side and vice versa. Of course, if you do that, you have to turn your smartwatch around as well. Normally, I wouldn't care about it, but it's very useful if you're regularly using the body composition feature, as you have to put 2 fingers on your buttons, and it's easy to do it if the buttons are on the side of your wrist and not on the other side. So you see where I'm coming from? You will thank me for that tip later on. The next one isn't a real tip or a trick, but you have to know that your smartwatch can automatically start workouts for you, like walking, running and cycling, and a few more. But the catch is that like this, it will not track the GPS route. If you want to use your GPS, you actually have to manually start the workout, or you can go into the activity settings and click through all of your workouts and enable the location recording. And like this, it will track your GPS route automatically. I think the next tip is a little bit underrated, but customizing your quick replies is actually very useful. I mean, on the Galaxy Watch 7 you can send back voice messages or write a text on your small keyboard. But if you have no time to do all of that, you can just send a quick reply. Most of the time I can get away by just using one of the emojis, but you can also just tell them that you are busy right now or that you are in a meeting and that you will call them or text them back later. A small tip to make your Galaxy Watch 7 last a little bit longer, for example if you're going on a longer trip, you can change your smartwatch to basically a digital watch. For that you have to open up your battery settings, and close to the end you will find the option watch only. Now this one will turn off everything your smartwatch has to offer except for the time, and like this, your watch will last at least another 14 days if it's fully charged. Another thing I would do once I get the watch is to customize my notification settings. First of all, I don't need notifications from every single app that I have on my smartphone. I just need my emails, I need my WhatsApp, Instagram, and maybe YouTube. And in order to do that, head over to your notification settings and open up your app notifications. And right here you can toggle off all of the apps from which you don't want to get any notifications from. By the way, it also works from your smartphone, and it's probably a little bit easier to do it from over here. The next tip is for everyone that needs a lot of data on one screen. Now since UI 6.0, there is a watch face called Ultra Infoboard. And I've never seen a more data-packed watch face than this. There are 7 different complications that you can customize on it, so you don't have to stick with the presets of data that you get once you download this watch face from the App Store. By the way, you can also change the background color of it and the clock font. You can also have pictures on your watch face. Just choose one of the watch faces in the photos category, and over here you can just go ahead and use photos that you have in your picture gallery or just take a fresh one. The next one are the gesture controls. With those actions you can do all sorts of things on your smartwatch. For example, by pinching your fingers, you can accept calls, you can remove alerts, you can open up apps, control your music, and you can even take photos. Then you also have the knock motion, which will only open up one specific app that you have on your smartwatch. And the last one is the shake motion. Now this one lets you dismiss alerts and a few other things. Now one thing I noticed using the Galaxy Watch 7 is that you cannot schedule the sleep mode. So it doesn't turn off the screen at night, and it only does it when you tap on it every day. To fix this, you only have to turn on the sync with phone feature in your modes settings, and now you can just add a sleep schedule on your smartphone and your watch will copy those settings. And guys, there we have it. Those are my best tips, tricks and features that you can get on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Now, if you like that video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. And I guess with that one being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.